Hello and welcome. In this video segment, we're going to replace the turn signal in a 2018 Ford Transit. So let's begin. These are some of the tools I like to have on hand. Gloves, a large screwdriver, 1/4 ratchet, an extension, T10, and safety glasses. What you want to do is take a large screwdriver and you want to put it behind the mirror, close to the center, the back of the mirror, and just take your time and just pry it out. Take your time removing your mirror so that you do not have this issue. Next, you will need your T10. We need to remove the top screw for the turn signal lamp. Next, we're going to remove the bottom mirror. Again, you want to put the screwdriver right in the middle, like we did the top mirror, and disconnect. Now we will remove our bottom screw or our turn signal lamp. Next, just remove your turn signal lamp. After that, you just pull your bulb loose, your harness, and remove your bulb. Amber is the color that Ford recommends, but if you do not have amber, you can get away with using a clear bulb. The most important and safety steps is to make sure that your turn signal is working. All you have to do now is just mount back your turn signal lamp. Screw in your bottom screw and your top screw. We want to place back our top mirror, and it's pretty much going to line itself up, and just pop it in. Gloves are not necessary, but if something was to go wrong, you may be glad you have them on. Now you can place on your bottom mirror. Well, that's it. That's what it takes to replace your turn signal in your Ford Transit. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.